Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very special fruit, the pomegranate. Pomegranates are nutrient-rich fruits known for their juicy seeds, vibrant color, and health benefits. They originate from the Middle East and India and have been cultivated for thousands of years. Botanical or historical background, scientific name, Punica granatum. Family, Lythraceae. Pomegranate is native to Iran and northern India, but widely grown across the Mediterranean, Middle East, and tropical regions. Plant type: deciduous shrub or small tree, growing up to 5 to 10 meters tall. Description: the pomegranate tree has shiny, narrow leaves and bright red or orange flowers that bloom in warm seasons. The fruit is round, with a thick, leathery rind that ranges in color from yellow-orange to deep red. Inside, hundreds of juicy, ruby red seeds, arils, are packed with sweet tart flavor. Each aril contains a tiny edible seed at its core, surrounded by juicy pulp. This is what's eaten or juiced. Nutritional profile: pomegranates are considered a nutritional powerhouse. They are the rich sources of vitamin C, which helps to boost immunity and skin health. And it also contains vitamin K, which supports bone health and blood clotting. It contains folic acid, which is essential for cell growth and development. It contains the natural dietary fiber, which helps in acid digestion and improves gut health. It is also rich in potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure. And it also contains antioxidants like punicalagins and anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and protect cells. Uses of pomegranate: as a food, the pomegranate seeds, arils, are eaten fresh or added to salads, desserts, and yogurt. Used in juices, smoothies, and syrups, like grenadine. Dried seeds are used as a spice in Indian cooking for a tangy flavor. In medicine, pomegranate is used in Ayurveda and traditional medicine to treat digestion problems, heart health, and inflammation. Pomegranate peel and juice are rich in antioxidants that help fight diseases and boost immunity. In beauty and skin care, pomegranate oil and extract are used in face creams, shampoos, and serums. Helps in anti-aging, skin repair, and keeping skin glowing. In agriculture or environment, the tree is drought tolerant and helps in soil conservation. Its flowers attract pollinators like bees. Fun facts about pomegranate: each pomegranate can have 600 to 1400 juicy seeds inside. Pomegranate is one of the oldest known fruits, cultivated for over 4000 years. The name, pomegranate, comes from Latin, pomum, apple, and granatum, seeded, meaning seeded apple. In many cultures, it's seen as a symbol of prosperity, fertility, and good luck. Pomegranate juice was once called a drink of the gods in ancient Persia. The pomegranate flower is also used for natural red dye. Ancient soldiers ate pomegranate before battles for strength and stamina. Wow, we've learned so much about pomegranates, from their juicy seeds to their super health powers. Next time you see one, you'll know exactly what's inside and why it's so special. Thanks for diving into the world of pomegranates with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fruity fun. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite fruit? Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep learning.